This hidden coastal village in Fuerteventura might be one of the best spots in the Canary Islands. I'm sharing more hidden places like this around Fuerteventura, so feel free to follow along. Now let's go! Good morning.
Good morning. We're heading to Cotillo. We're going to have a nice walk along the coastline.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Welcome to Cotillo. Third time to the island, and we've never been to Cotillo, so we wanted to tick it off our list. It's one of the quieter resorts on the island. This is where we are, over here. So we're very much south of the resort at the moment. At this end, there's a lot of people parked up in the campervans. Wow! That is a stunning view this morning. So we're going to walk south of Cotillo. We'll head back up there later on. But for the time being, let's head this way. Motorhomes of different shapes and sizes. Look at this one. Looks more armoured. This beach is called Piedra Playa. Stunning beach. Very popular for surfers. People warming up, getting ready for the surfing lessons. beaches here. We're now going to head into El Cotillo and explore this small resort. This is Torre del Tostón, an 18th century defensive tower designed to protect the coast from pirate raids. It's now used as a tourist information office, a local art exhibition, and there's a viewing platform on top too. So as resorts go, this is one of the smaller ones. Has a quiet charm to it. And a stunning beach or two. All the rain they've had over recent weeks, the island's gone very green. Hope you've enjoyed our time exploring El Cotillo. We're now going to head back to the hotel, get some pool time and chill out until tonight. Now, where is our car?
No wonder I was hot. It's 33 degrees.